on. We have to find Rose before she leaves.
I hope she knows what's happened to us.
Well, she must know something. I mean, she made these dolls.
She made these?
Yeah,
Well, why did she make them look like us?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her.
Well, if you paid attention to your
Where
kid,
are
then
we?
maybe you'd know,
No.
bitch.
You use this place?
I haven't been in here for ages. Plus, everything looks different.
Yeah. It's like some twisted version of reality.
Oh, shit.
Oh. May, over here.
I'm coming. Boy. Fuck me. I'm just a woman.
Oh, look, it's Rose.
Rose!
honey,
darling!
Rose. She can't hear us.
Oh no.
How are we gonna get over there now?
I can help.
What?
What was that?
Who was it?
I don't know.
Over here. Look. I know
It's a
the
hammer.
way.
The hammer.
I'll take you there if you help me save my friends.
What friends?
My tool friends. We used to be important and taken care of, but that human locked us up in her toolbox and left.
You mean May's toolbox?
Yes, yes! That heartless woman. Do you know her?
Well, yeah.
No, he doesn't. Anyway, I heard that heartless woman got a new job in town and doesn't have time for our hobbies anymore.
Who cares about hobbies? Do you know how painful it is to die from rust? It's like burning alive, slowly.
But look, Hammer, there's some rust remover spray in that tool cabinet. We can help save your friends, but only if you can get us to Rose over there.
Okay, it's a deal. Pick me up.
Okay?
Now, go to that big door over there. Pull that nail out. We're gonna need it.
Okay, here goes.
Whoa! Where'd it go?
Just whistle.
What? Really? Oh!
Wow.
Cool. We got a flying nail and a talking hammer. Let's go. Hey, look, that's all right. Whew.
Perfect.
Careful with that nail, Cody. I don't want it in my eye.
Okay,
Right.
well, don't drop that hammer on my toe.
Don't worry, I know how to handle tools.
Where
yeah,
am I
me too.
throwing this?
Last time
That's
you
the
used a
question.
hammer, you smashed your own thumb.
Yeah, well, okay, I did. But I'm in charge of the nail now.
Are we just
Okay,
jumping
okay.
down? Yeah, we're just
Just
jumping
be
down.
careful.
Okay, so I need to throw one for you, don't I?
Yeah.
So over there, maybe?
Where the fuck have you thrown it?
Oh, wait. No, I remember. So I need to... Oh, wait, no, you need to hit that. But give me a sec.
Oh.
Okay, go and hit it.
Ready?
Yep. How did that miss? Okay, try again. Okay. There we go. And then... Oh, shit. Almost. Okay, and now I can get that
No,
back.
I need to get over.
Oh, shit. It's alright. Go on, hit it again. There you go.
Shit.
Jump, dash.
Yeah.
Hey, maybe we can swing off that nail.
So you go and swing off that nail and then go swing off the other nail as well.
So what nail?
That one. Yep.
Steady now. Sweet moves. I like your style, man.
Oh, thanks, Hammer.
Okay, and then give me a second. And then I need to throw one over there, I'm guessing. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
too short.
And then.
I got a new nail.
Sweet!
Okay, there's something that you can hit over there. You see that button?
Yeah.
Go and keep hitting. Spam it! Spam it!
Oh,
Yeah!
head!
Okay, go over this side, and I think you're gonna need to hit that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not how you do it. Right, do I need to jump down here with you? Oh yeah. There we go, and then hit this one.
Ready?
Yep. There we go. Beautiful! Okay, let me take these back. Go on, smash these up.
Smash what?
All the bottles.
Oh,
No.
I still
Ow!
do that, you know.
Turn around, that one.
This is so satisfying.
Here we go, happy.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Oops.
Ooh.
Here we go, happy. Hello?
Wow.
There are no relationships without challenges. Challenges make you grow.
What is it with you? Can't you just leave us alone?
Well, when you're willing to face a challenge, you always learn something new. So remember, when you hear this sound, follow it. Keep following it, and you will find the challenge you seek. Yeah! Welcome to your first couples challenge. Win or lose, you must do it together.
Ugh. Well, I guess we're gonna have to. All right, you want to give it a try?
We haven't got time for this.
Oh, you afraid of losing?
Me?
Ooh.
No way. Bring it on.
Oh, I'm gonna bring it. Hey, May, come here.
Shit.
Okay, so I need to do that, yep. And you need to just hit your hammer, but hit the right area. Have you got that? So you need to aim the right way.
Whack-a-mole, innit?
Yeah, you need to aim the right way of which way you think I'm gonna pop up and then hit me. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is gonna be fun.
Watch your head, Cody.
Oh, you won't beat me. I'm faster than a mole.
My hammer's faster than that.
Fuck me.
Peekaboo. Oh.
Ow, my balls! Ow!
No props. Look,
Yeah, bitch!
too fast for you.
Fuck you.
I win! I win!
You get the easy shit.
I win! I win! Wait, do you want to go again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Septic bitch.
All right, I'm looking forward to this.
I'm still gonna lose.
Bingo.
You don't stay there fucking long enough.
That's it.
I need to watch that back and review my moves.
Yeah, fuck you. Right, go on.
Let's go.
We gotta go.
Ah, the sweet sounds of machinery. There's nothing better.
You don't need to go down there anyway, I don't think.
Shit. I forgot what I was doing. Just kind of forgot controllers.
Hold on tight.
Now what?
Okay.
Okay, so I've got to hit
Leading
this
the
thing
way
here
here,
now.
Cody.
Oh wait. Sorry. Yep, my bad. Okay.
Yeah, so where do I have to go?
Wait for me. Let's go.
Now where?
Okay, so oh, there's another game over there.
Where?
Over there, I think. Yep.
Oh, I died. As usual.
What the heck is that thing?
Looks like there's a switch for Hammer in the middle.
Okay, so that's for you.
Hey,
shit.
Cody! Over here!
Okay, so I need to shoot at the targets to score. You need to use the hammer on the targets to score. So you've got to run over and I've got to shoot them.
My nails are better than your
Okay.
hammer.
You wish.
Just you watch. Bullseye!
Slammed it!
Yeah! And another one. Yeah.
Oh, this is far too easy on PC. This is far too easy on PC.
Nailed it.
It's so horrible.
That is so easy on PC. That is so bad.
It takes me ages.
Yeah, it's far too
This
easy
is
on
not
PC.
fair.
Don't blame me if the loss stings.
Nailed it.
There we go!
I got this. Ha! Go easy on me.
All right, victory boy.
Yeah.
Calm down.
That's
Yeah.
not fair.
Yeah, it's far too easy on PC.
Let's fuck it.
Alright, let's go. Okay, so what now? So we need to get you over there, don't we? To hit that button. I think that's right. Oh shit. Right.
Yeah. Cody, don't screw this up.
Yeah, just get to jumping.
Right, jump. Okay, and then I need to
Call it back.
flip that one, but then I need to call this one back now. Right, jump. Okay, I need to call that one back. There you go. Alright, and I think that button's gonna do this thing over here, isn't it? Oh no, never mind. No, it's not. Okay, wait there. So you're gonna have to jump onto that screw. And jump over.
Nice one.
have to go jump back.
And then wait for the other screw.
No. Fuck, sorry.
It's okay. I think I've got that one in the wrong area anyway, to be honest. Alright, wait for it, wait for it. You're going to need to jump onto it and then dash. Have I got it in the wrong place?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Is that right, maybe? And jump, jump, dash. Go, 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 go. No, because if you hit the bottom, you're gonna die. There you go.
Hero slide.
Nice.
Right, so where have I got to go here?
You've got to hit that, yep. Thank you.
Sliding saw blades?
One
Really?
more nail. Pull it out.
Heads up, Cody!
Oh, thank you. I got a new nail.
Got it. That makes
Right.
3.
You always
Well-
want.
Where the fuck am I going?
Right, I'm here. Something's gonna happen. There's a pad.
Need a boost?
Go, 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 go! Oh.
Fly.
You didn't
Go,
give
go,
me
go, go,
much.
go, 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 go! Sorry, I was trying to see how far it was.
It's fine. Now what am I going to
Oh, great. Another
Okay, yeah.
trust exercise.
What? You think I'm gonna miss?
I hope not.
Where's
Right,
the
you
other
ready?
one? Where do- Go, 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 go!
Okay, wait. Oh, I need to put that one back,
I
don't I?
need to put this one. Oh shit. There we go.
Okay, wait. No! Is it gonna make you restart? Fuck!
Yeah.
Oh no, wrong one! Ah! Sorry.
Oh wait, go.
Oh wait, wait. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I'm pressing the wrong buttons. I'm panicking.
No! Fuck! It didn't jump for me.
Right, wait. I
It's
haven't.
not jump. It's
I
not
hadn't done it yet.
no. I know, but it's not latching on.
You're not getting close enough to it. That's why, baby. You're not pushing
Okay.
forward enough.
Right.
Alright,
Okay,
give me a minute.
perfect.
Let me get comfy. Baby, no! You were there! You were there!
I don't even know what happened.
You dashed.
Ready?
Yep.
No. It didn't fucking go. Right. No! What the fuck? I do it without the dash, she fucking misses. Do it with the dash, she fucking overshots it.
There you
I
go,
know
and then
what-
jump, 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 dash. There you,
know,
go.
You two have pretty good teamwork.
I don't know about that.
I need
I
you to come
will.
and break these bottles for me.
Do a jump down there.
Jump down onto the platform. No, jump, jump, dash. No, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Jump,
Then
jump,
jumping
dash.
down
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And then break those bottles for me.
Thanks.
Sure.
And again.
There's the toolbox. Both of you, come on. Help me break it open. I don't think it's like that.
Oh no. Isn't this another boss battle?
Yeah, I think
We
so.
have to catch it.
We gotta catch it first, apparently.
Oh, let's get that grimy toolbox.
No, it's a.
Get tool, buddy.
Yeah, quick,
We're gonna
run!
save you.
Be careful!
Oh,
Oh, I missed! No!
Toolbox, stop playing hard to catch.
Oh, I fucking missed again!
You'll never get
Oh,
away with
I'm
it.
dead.
Oh, shit.
Toolbox, stop playing hard to catch.
Ah, shit!
You'll never get away with this, you stupid toolbox.
Fucking killed me. Don't die, don't die, don't die. But
Ah! Ah! Jump, 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 jump!
no one knows.
Oh, shit, 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 shit! Right, hit that, hit. Keep hitting. Oh, baby, no!
It killed me off. I'd hit it and it just killed me.
Go on, hit it, multiple times. Smack.
I think. Oh, that's
Down. I'm down.
Oh no, I don't know how to help you. I don't know how to get it to stay up.
There we go.
Ah, you fucking asshole. Oh, fuck, I fucked myself. Don't die.
Fucking hell, me up.
Don't die.
I'm not gonna jump. It's fine. I'm waiting. Go in.
Ah, fuck.
Shit, I'm dead. Don't die.
I think I'm okay.
trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed.
I'm dead.
Ah, shit. I'm not paying attention to mine. I'm too busy paying attention to you.
Okay.
oh,
No.
that's gonna hurt.
How's that fair? How is that fair?
Oh, I'm dead as well. Fuck. God, it's so difficult on PC, man.
I don't remember this
Hurry up, we
whatsoever.
can't let my friends die.
Ow. I'm dead.
I'm dead. Oh, that was good timing. Don't die.
Try not to. Ah!
It's his fucking nails, man. I'm dead.
Ouch! I'm dead again. Ah, fuck off! Oh, I'm dead again. You've got a thing that you need to hit, but just watch out for the nails. Oh, I can't get up! There's no point hitting it yet because I need to be there.
Wait.
Ow! Okay, go. Hit it! Get closer! Alright, go. Ah, I'm dead again. Alright, go. Get up the boxes.
No. Fuck.
Keep going. Ah! Go on, break the glass. Ah! This is so bad.
Ready?
Go, yep. Okay, go.
Good one, Cody.
Okay, this
Now
is the
what?
boss battle. I think. This is the boss battle. Oh, shit.
Oh, I hate this one.
Yeah, so do I.
So we just got to run around with a fucking plank, man.
It's coming!
Ah!
Oh, fuck.
Got him, May!
Good.
Go on,
Get
go on.
to the other side.
Go, jump over, jump over, jump over, jump over, jump over! Over there, over there, over there!
Steady now.
No!
I don't have a clue what the fuck I was doing, I'm sorry. I know what I'm doing
It's
now. I get it, sort of.
So I pin his arm down and then I make you a pathway to be able to jump over him.
Yeah, okay, I kind of get it. Oh no.
Go! No!
What the fuck?
Get ready to jump.
Hands up!
Keeps knocking me fucking down.
Go on,
Now
hit,
what?
hit it, hit them, hit them, hit them, hit, hit. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Did one. That was not. I got one of them.
Yep. Oh no.
Oh shit, this is where the plank gets smaller, isn't it?
Yep.
This toolbox is crazy!
Yeah. Next time I'll find a smaller one.
Oh fuck.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm alive.
This is so bad! I'm panicking!
Wait, oh,
Okay, he's
fuck.
coming again, he's coming again, he's coming again.
It won't let me jump.
Go, go, go!
Hold on tight!
Okay, same again, same again, same again, same again. Go on, go on, go on, go on, smack it, smack it!
Did it?
Okay, now this is gonna be your turn where you've got to try and hit him on the arm. Alright, May, show off.
Oh, that's gotta hurt!
Now what?
I think this is where you need to like hit his shovel.
Dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Can't we talk about this toolbox?
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
Shit in hell.
Ow. I'm dead.
And then
Okay,
you need to jump on this, jump on this, jump on this. There you go. Oh wait, wait, sorry, wait. Go, go. Ah, never mind. Oh shit, I've just killed myself.
Same.
Fuck! How far back are we gonna be? Okay.
Okay.
Right, now we know that I need to jump on it and you need to hit it, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, where the fuck's it going? What's happening? Are you stopping?
No, it's gonna try and hit us.
No!
Oh, fuck's sake! I dashed at the wrong time.
Sorry, I thought I was home.
Sorry.
Oh, how? Don't die, don't die, don't die. No, you dare fucking die.
I don't know where he's following. He's following you.
He's following me. He's following you.
He's following you again. Ooh. Okay, go.
Hit the spray can!
Get it?
I hit it twice.
There, Katie.
Okay, we're nearly on it. Oh shit. Oh no, this is where the board gets smaller. Ah!
Don't die.
My god, the board's so fucking small!
Fucking got in. Jesus fucking Christ.
Ah! No, I'm sorry, don't die. Oh shit! Ah!
No, dead. Come here.
Ah!
Get on.
Right, go!
Get it.
Ah! I need to hit it one more fucking time! Ah, no! Don't die! Don't fucking die!
We're running out of real estate here.
Oh, sweat is so fucking cold.
Sam! Ah!
Oh, dead.
Those nails.
No, you're not dead! No! I'm dead!
Oh, you're kidding me.
I'm here! Ah!
Oh my God.
Okay, it's gonna hit! Big hit! Okay. Ah! Go! I got it! Oh, fucking hell! Oh, I'm sweating!
Hey, look at them.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
I'm ready.
crying.
I'm so ready
Oh,
for this.
God.
It tickles. Ha! There you go. Thank you. Woohoo! I feel brand new! Look at me! I'm whole! You saved us from that rust and toolbox! Thank you, May. You are a true hero!
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course! Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
What?
Whoa,
Wow.
flexible.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it!
Wee!
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose, wait! We need your help!
It's us! Mum and Dad! Don't close the door!
No! Help us out! Rose! Oh, you stupid book!
Oh, you've locked us in, you idiots!
Now we're stuck in here!
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, May! Woo! Let's go to the window! Woo!
Book is out of his mind, okay?
Let's go! Oh, I love these ones, but you hate them because you always fail it. exactly like that.
What's RS? Oh,
You mean RB?
it's saying RS for me.
Oh shit.
Check out my moves, May!
Yeah, very cool, but just don't fall off!
Don't worry. I'm pretty good at this.
Me too! Woohoo!
Don't say I'm dead again.
You're falling down the side. If you jump and then press RB. Never mind.
Can't probably see where I'm going. It's so dark.
Jump. You need to jump over the electricity. Yeah?
Yeah, right, live.
Jump. 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 Yay! She's here!
Here.
And then we need to carry on. Yay!
Am I going on the same one as you, yeah?
No, you need to go on the other one.
Oh. I've gone on the same one as you.
I think we need to try and do it at the same time.
We need to time this together.
Yeah.
All right, one more time.
Right.
I didn't realise I had to go on this. Is it this one I'm going on?
No, no, no. You want to go over here. Actually, you stay on that one if you want. Just make sure you
Okay.
press whatever it is that you press to activate something.
Yeah.
Right, you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Did that work? No, okay, mine's shorter than yours, I think. So you go first.
Come on.
Yep. Yeah, motherfucker. Let's go. Okay, same again. No, wrong one, baby. Wrong
I
one.
didn't see which one you went on, sorry.
I'll go on this one then if you want, and you go on the other one. Ready?
Yeah,
Go, 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 go. Sorry, I should have counted, but I didn't count.
We did it anyway.
That was very close.
Here it comes.
You didn't press it.
I did.
You didn't press Y. Right, you ready?
I did.
3,
Right,
2,
3,
1,
2, 1,
go.
Go.
Make sure you press Y again. You didn't press it, did you? No, you didn't
It's
press
not
it.
registering. It didn't register. I am pressing it. It's just not registering.
Sorry, I didn't mean to actually set off then. It just set off on its own.
For some reason, my controller's decided to lag a bit. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. It's not letting me jump either. Yeah, my controller stopped working.
Just press RB. There you go. And then RB again when you get up to the top of it. Oh, wrong one.
Okay.
I think we need to do it together.
Wait. Yeah.
3,
3,
2,
2.
1.
Run.